So you like breakfast? Well, I got a really awesome breakfast dish for you here today. Whoo, good night in the morning. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started on these steak quesadillas. All right, let's go. Steak quesadillas. Steak quesadillas. Went over to my old buddies down the street. I said, look, man, I just need some just good old standard run-of-the-mill ribeye steaks, all right? Get on, fly, suey. And this is what we have here. Real thin, they're gonna cook really, really fast, perfect for our steak quesadillas. But what are we gonna season them with? You know, a little bit of Hussey Fiesta dust, a little bit of Hussey's heifer dust. Asked for by name, award-winning also, okay? So what I like to do, you know, you wanna call this what you will. Is it carne asada? I don't know, it's just good, all right? Some of this Fiesta dust. Now I'm gonna flip these things. Come in here, I'm not touching the bottle like, you know, people's gonna be like, oh my God, he's gonna kill somebody. Jacob, I mean, he's only been to the hospital four times? Yeah, he hadn't died yet, so he keeps coming back. So there we have it. All right. We got these dudes seasoned up. That's gonna go perfect, all right? Let's talk about our griddle. Our griddle, need to pre-warm it. I was pre-warming that while we were doing that. You can see some wisp of smoke coming up right there. I got it actually on all low, middle, a little bit higher than low. Probably about a medium, okay? I'm gonna put these steaks, I'm just actually gonna go put those right there, okay? Now, let's talk about, I like veggies. I like veggies with my quesadillas. I like it with, well, anything. It don't have to be quesadillas. It could be a dang sandwich, you know. Little yellow onion. Take his jacket off. It's a little cold today. It actually is cold today. Jacob has a heated sweater on, a heated cardigan, you know. So tell it what it is, all right? Little fine chop. Nothing crazy here, folks. All right, we don't need much. I might as well just do this whole half. Just like that, all right. Put that there, all right? Now, stay right there, stay right there. Now, peppers. Peppers. Can't play my guitar without my guitar string. Who notices that? Anybody know that? You get bonus points if you know that, okay? I don't know what the bonus points is for, but you get bonus points. Pepper, standard issue. Whew, gotta watch that right there. Top, bottom, take your knife, run it around the bottom, run it around the sides, not the bottom. Okay, same on this side. And looky there. Toss it. Now, we want these slices to be kind of like the onion, so we're just gonna kind of go like that, kind of go like that, kind of go like that. And there we go. Stack them on top of one another and rock that knife like you're rock and roll, okay? I'm gonna rock around, all right? Just like this. Slicing peppers, nice and easy. Over on the griddle, it's a little cold outside, clarified butter. Little clarified butter. I'll show you how I make it in that video down below. Want to bring our onions and our peppers right there. How are we gonna season it up? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm gonna do a little bit of this Fiesta dust and a little bit of this heifer dust right here. Yes. Boy, it smells so good. Smells so good. All right. Andersons are having their yard blowed right now. Get it, Jeff. Get it. Yep. So the idea here is this: we just want to get them kind of broke down. And then we're going to cook our steaks. Our steaks aren't going to take long at all. They're really thin. It's the way I wanted it, but peppers and onions take longer. So we're going to let this go for, we'll let it go for another 3 minutes or so. We'll come right back. Don't you go anywhere. Peppers and onions. Woo, nice caramelization. I'm just gonna put these dudes right up there to the front. And we're going to focus our attention right in the center. This is where the magic is gonna happen with our ribeyes. All right, a little clarified butter. Like I said, it's cold out. Got our knobs, got them on high heat right now. Ribeye, woo, just like this, about a stir fry, you know, as a sear. Griddle temperature guide is your best friend, all right? Also got a lime over here that I want to put right there. And what this does, it puts a little bit of a caramelization on the limes. And when it heats up, it actually releases its juices a lot better, all right? So, all right, so let's get our steak. I got 1. All right, 2, ouch. That hurt. I screamed like a little girl right there.
2.
All right, and 3. Yeah, baby. Get to cooking. We're not looking to do anything crazy with this. We just need some color. We're gonna chop it up and we're gonna make a really awesome quesadilla. Quesadilla. Oh, you can't wait. Can't wait for what I'm about to show you, all right? I'm gonna flip these. We'll put those into a different spot. We'll put that over here. All right. Got another about 30 seconds. We'll flip them back to this original spot. Got a nice hot spot right in there. And these are really about done. All right, this is good. Just gonna stack these buddies up. Little buddy. All right, right here, right there. There we go. All right. Mowing, guys, we're just gonna let that sit. We definitely do not want to cut it right now. All the nice juices and stuff that we've built. Just let it chill out. Just let it chill out. We'll check on our nice little limes, just expelling a little bit of its juices right now. So we're gonna let this rest and then we're gonna chop it up. So we'll come right back. All right, our steak, it's been resting for plenty of time. And now I'm just gonna cut this up into nice bite-sized little chunks, kind of like you would, you know, see in like a carne asada. I guess you could really call this like a carne asada, but I'm calling it steak quesadilla. All right. This thing's really tender, which is a good thing. All right, we'll come in, just run your knife kind of loosely through all this. All right, we're just gonna leave that kind of right there, and then we're gonna build our quesadilla. Let's talk about quesadilla, how we're gonna build these suckers. Well, got a little bit of something here. Got some more stuff. I got some quesadilla cheese, and I got some good stuff that we're gonna church it up with a little bit, okay? So, our griddle top, I'm gonna put just a little bit of cooking spray. This is avocado olive oil spray. I was gonna use my clarified butter, but because it's kind of cold, to be quite honest with y'all, it's seized up, so. We're gonna put the cheese down onto the griddle first, and we're gonna make almost like a cheese skirt, okay, out of this. So it's gonna be a layer of cheese. Nice big layer, about the size of your tortilla, okay? Now, I'm gonna come in with our peppers and onions and just kind of scatter those around, all right? Scatter them around. Just like that, okay? Now, we're gonna take our ribeye steak, layer that all the way around. You wanna make sure you got plenty of steak. Got our lime, don't forget about your lime. I wanna squeeze that, whew, it's hot. Probably shouldn't do that, but you know, a little bit of lime right over that. Also put a little bit right here, what I really needed to do. I'm gonna take this other one off so I don't have to pick it up bare-handed. But you know, that's the way it goes. Now, big old tortilla. Grande tortillas. This is Old El Paso Grande tortillas. I'm gonna lay it right over that steak, press onto it. We're just gonna let this go for just a little bit. I wanna make sure, get all that cheese, get everything loosey-goosey. We're not done yet. We are not done yet. Breakfast quesadilla, I think it needs some eggs, so don't worry. We're gonna do something special with these eggs, okay? Don't go anywhere. All right, our cheese, it's been cooking for, it's been about 2 minutes. I'm seeing a little crust kind of form right around here. I think it's ready. Now, this might be a complete failure. We'll see. You're gonna see too. You ready? I wanna try and come up right here. Whoop. Very loose, very loose. All right, you ready? Yeah, baby. Bam. Talk about that, sons. Not too bad, not too bad. Now, we're not done. We're gonna take more cheese. We're gonna take more cheese. Put right here. This is gonna be a big old boy. It's gonna be a big old boy. All right, now, I'm gonna come up under here and we're gonna fold her. Fold her over. Good night. Look at that thing. Oh man, that sucker's big. Big old boy. All right, well, we're gonna do some eggs also, y'all. We're gonna put 2 eggs in this, but we're gonna do over easy eggs. We got enough grease right here. Just gonna come in with our eggs. I'm gonna, y'all like it whenever I put the eggs out there, I know, all right? I don't know, I might need 3 eggs. Watch out, Maggie. All right. Yeah, right there. Shoot. Pew. Okay. Let's break these up a little bit. Here. Break them up. They'll cook a lot faster for you, folks. We need a little salt. We'll do some Fiesta dust on top of these eggs. So I just think it'll be good. I just think it'll be good. We need to flip this quesadilla on the other side. Ready? Oh, man, that thing. That's a big old quesadilla. Golly, boy. All right, it's been cooking on this side a little bit. Oh boy, look at that, look at that. Let's take it over to the cutting board. Man, this thing's probably 2 pounds. Ooh, and it's hot. Hot tamale. We're not done yet, friends. We're not done yet, friends. Let's take this. Golly, boy. Dang. Dang. 1 egg. 2 eggs. And 3 eggs. Woo. Put that right there. Put it right there. Put it right there. All we gotta do now is slice it. We're gonna slice it up. You ready? Just like that. Just like that. Holy cow. Little bit of salsa. Salsa right on top. Just like this. Woo-wee. Sons, boys, and girls. I really like this avocado verde. So I'm just gonna come in a little bit right there, a little bit right there. Woo! What? That is a spectacle right there, y'all. There you have it. Breakfast steak quesadillas on the Blackstone. Let's go. All right, let's try to slide up under this thing here. Woo! Little bit of a cheese pull. Man, this thing is a monster. Golly, boy. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, man. This is like best quesadilla ever. What do you think, Maggie girl? Guys, a steak seasoned perfectly. I mean, just perfectly. The texture from the cheese skirt that we laid down first, amazing. The tortilla, crisp, amazing. The yolky egg, Really adds a nice richness. And the peppers and onions, a little bit of crunch, y'all. This is fantastic. I suggest you make your quesadillas just like this. Love you. I like it whenever I mispronounce stuff.
Yeah.
Because people always want to, yeah. All right, so see, where's my steaks right here? All right, ready? Now we're gonna. That was a little bit excessive right there. That tenderizes the meat. I like the way it's flowing. Hope my energy's a little bit better. It's about time, you prick. Get some water.
I think what you should do is get drunk for a video.
Yeah, you know, can't do that. I don't know what our thumbnail's gonna be.
You gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Pieces?
Yeah. I guess we might have to use it from yours.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Could have swore I bought some bags.
What do you guys do with the clothes?
Yeah, you know what? I'm lazy, Jacob. I don't want to go up there.
Wow.
Don't you understand that?